This video will demonstrate how to assemble Uline industrial PVC slat wall. For this video, we will install a 4x8 foot gray slat wall. While you may have a different PVC slat wall or wall surface, steps to assemble are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. We will begin by installing the bottom 8-foot trim onto the wall. Determine where the trim will be mounted, making sure it is level and your wall is flat. Drill screws through the back leg of the trim into the wall. Next, center one of the 4 slat wall panels into the channel with the tongue facing up. Make sure neither end of the panel extends beyond the trim. Mark and drill screws through the slat wall grooves into the wall. Note, ensure screws are at least 2 inches from the ends of each panel and only screw in part way. These will be tightened at the end of the assembly. Set the second slat wall panel on top of the first panel, ensuring the bottom groove is seated firmly onto the tongue of the first panel. Align the ends of the panels. Repeat these steps to attach the remaining slat wall panels. Next, slide the remaining trim pieces into place. Adjust the pieces until the corners fit together. Then tighten all screws. To hide screw heads, peel off a small amount of the backing from the adhesive color strips. Feed the strip into the slat wall groove, then slowly peel away the backing. Press the strip into the groove. Repeat these steps to attach each adhesive color strip. Your industrial PVC slat wall assembly is now complete. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.